vehicle. Nice garage. You can see the hot surface igniter is not turning on. I don't know how the fuck the gas valve open with hot surface igniter not igniting. That is crazy. Damn, that next unit. Either way, that's what it seems like it's going to be, but we'll unplug this right now to confirm we're getting voltage there. Try again. So let's try this again. I got my test leads right there at the plug. It plugs into the igniter. Let's see what happens. Let's confirm we got 120. Just clicked, so just clicked, so I should have got 115. You know this board will just change because here's the old one. So we got no 115 pin, the gas valve just open. For some reason I don't know why it's not supposed to open. This freaking okay, Lennox, why would you do this? How in the fuck am I supposed to access the hot surface igniter? Seriously. So I'm supposed to remove all this bullshit to get to this, and then the screw that this way, you can put it the other way. So we can actually get a nut driver in there. Let's go. Let's figure it out. The circuit board.